In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep AnyDesk always on so you can connect to your remote computer anytime without needing someone on the other end to accept the session. This is especially useful if you manage your own devices, work remotely, or need reliable access to a computer when you're away from it. I'll walk you through the exact settings you need to change step by step so you can set up unattended access properly and make your connection as stable as possible. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open AnyDesk on the computer that you want to access remotely. Make sure the application fully loads before you continue, because some of the settings won't appear properly until AnyDesk is ready. Once it opens, you'll want to head into the settings area. Look for the menu icon in the top right corner of the window and click it. From the menu, select Settings. Now inside the settings panel, look for either Access or Security, depending on the version of AnyDesk you have installed. Different versions of the app may label this section slightly differently, but the idea is the same. If the settings are locked, you may need to click Unlock first. When that happens, AnyDesk may ask for administrator permission, so go ahead and approve the prompt if it appears. This step is important because it allows you to change the access settings that control remote connections. Next, scroll down until you find the Unattended Access section. This is the feature that lets you connect to the computer without someone physically sitting there and clicking Accept every time. Turn on Unattended Access. Once that is enabled, click Set Password. This is one of the most important parts of the setup, because this password will be used when you connect remotely. Enter a strong password that you can remember, but that is still hard for anyone else to guess. Then, confirm the password and save the changes. I strongly recommend using a unique password here, not something simple or reused from another account. Since this gives access to your device, you want to make sure it is secure. After that, look for the Permission Profile option. This lets you control what a remote user can do once connected. If you want full control over the machine, select Full Access. If you prefer to limit certain actions, you can choose a different profile that better fits your needs. Once you've selected the profile you want, click Apply to make sure the settings are saved. Now, stay in the Access or Security section and look for any option related to auto disconnect. If you see it, make sure to untick it. Disabling auto disconnect can help keep the session active for longer and reduce the chance of your remote connection ending unexpectedly. This is especially helpful if you need longer access for work, maintenance, or support tasks. Once you've completed all of these steps, your AnyDesk setup should be much more reliable for always-on access. At this point, I'd recommend testing it from another device to make sure you can connect successfully using the password you created. If everything works, then you're good to go. And that's how to keep AnyDesk always on using unattended access, a secure password, the right permission profile, and the key settings that help maintain a stable connection. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.